Exercise bike versus treadmill versus rowing machine. Are you a workout enthusiast? Are you wondering which of these three exercise machines is the best? Then watch this video. Hello, and welcome to Saguaro Fitness. We are going to pit the exercise bike against the treadmill, also against the rowing machine, for an exciting three-way face-off. Watch until the end or you'll miss out on which exercise machine comes out victorious in the final round. Before that, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more videos on physical fitness and more health tips. Are you ready? Let the battle begin. Round 1. Treadmill versus exercise bike. Want to lose belly fat? Then don't rest your back on the saddle of an exercise bike. Hop onto a treadmill. The treadmill burns between 600 to 1200 calories per hour, compared to 500 to 1000 calories per hour on an exercise bike. Why? Sitting on the bike doesn't force your body to fight off gravity the way your body does on a treadmill. The exercise bike will undoubtedly make you a better cyclist, but it won't help you in your normal, day-to-day life as much as a treadmill. A treadmill works your muscles in the same ways you normally walk or run. That's not so much with an exercise bike. An exercise bike works your muscles in a range of motion you don't typically use in everyday activities because the bike is stationary. But for anyone with bad knees, the exercise bike is the better choice. It gives you a good cardio workout, and unlike the treadmill, there is no harsh impact on your joints. To exercise on the bike, it will require your quads, glutes, hamstrings, hip flexors, and calf muscles to perform the pedaling motion. While it may sound like a lot of muscles are involved, it is essentially just your leg muscles. It pales in comparison to the treadmill. Running on a treadmill puts your whole body to work, not just your lower half. The result? You develop abdominal and back muscles in addition to your leg muscles. Even your arms get a good workout because you pump them back and forth while running. The verdict? Because it's a full body workout, not just for toning your legs, we'll give the win to the treadmill. Round 2. Exercise bike versus rowing machine. Limited budget? Not enough space at home? Get the rowing machine. It offers an incredible cardio workout while you enjoy the rowing motion. But if you prefer cycling over rowing, then you might think you could just settle for the exercise bike. The exercise bike may be versatile, but no other cardio machine comes close to the workout you receive from the rowing machine. The exercise bike mostly works your legs, but the rowing machine gives you a full body workout. It can even be a cross-training complement to all forms of cardio exercises, like walking, running, cycling, or aerobic step classes. Unfortunately, the exercise bike can't do that. A rowing machine can also come in foldable models, so space won't be an issue. Store it away easily when you're not using it. The verdict? With its ability to offer a full body workout and the extra points it receives for space-saving foldable models, this round we give the win to the rowing machine. Now for the ultimate face-off. Round 3. The treadmill versus rowing machine. In one corner, we have the treadmill. Running on a treadmill forces you to make explosive muscle contractions centered around your legs, giving you a good leg workout every run. The treadmill also offers incline features. You don't just focus on your speed, you also focus on your power. forcing your body to do serious work and making your body burn serious calories too. In the other corner, we have the rowing machine. Its biggest selling point, it offers a full body workout, giving your back, shoulders, and your arms an incredible workout while working your legs. It's great for muscle building and calorie burning, the perfect recipe for toning up. Use the rowing machine as your main cardio training and also to diversify your back workout. So who wins in treadmill versus rowing machine? Well, they're both great at what they do. They each have their own unique benefits that other machines can't match. You can choose your pace on a treadmill to get the workout you need, no matter your fitness level. You can also just hop onto the rowing machine and feel the burn instantly, regardless of how fit you are. At the end of the day, it's all about your preference. Now, the winner. Regardless of what exercise machine you use, the key to a successful workout is variety. By varying the exercise equipment, you can keep your body guessing, adjusting, and progressing. But let's say you're backed into a corner and you're forced to buy only one incredible exercise machine. Which among the three should you choose? The rowing machine, treadmill, or exercise bike? We highly recommend the rowing machine. It doesn't just offer a cardio exercise, it gives you a full body workout. It strengthens your physique, increases your energy, and boosts your endurance while being easier on your body than the treadmill. The act of rowing can also be therapeutic, which helps relieve stress from your body. Plus, with foldable models offering additional space-saving features, you can never go wrong with the rowing machine. That's our three-way face-off: the exercise bike versus the treadmill versus the rowing machine. Which exercise machine is your favorite? Do you agree with our winner? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Click the notification bell or we'll program all your exercise machines to their toughest settings. If you are interested in purchasing any of the items mentioned in this video, check the links in the description down below. Don't forget to check out our other videos.